But we must put it on record that it's really appalling that our brothers from the Delta part of Nigeria, and also our brothers from River State, you know, the Ikweres and other Igbo-speaking areas from that axis, to understand that some of them, sometimes when it's convenient for them, they will say they are Igbos. Once it's not convenient for them, they say they are not Igbos. And the question is, who is fooling who at this point? Still recall, during the 2023 election, Rotimi Amechi, who is from River State, came out to say that he is an Igbo man. Nyesom Wike came out to say they are not Igbos. And I also heard that some part of Obaki Ikwere in River State said they are not Igbos. In fact, they denied any affinity with Igbos. So we keep asking, is it when it's politically convenient for them, they identify with Igbos? Once it's no longer convenient for them, they say they are not Igbos. Please, I think it's a wake-up call for all of us. Igbo nation should be united at this point. Now let us lead from the front, so that when these our brothers from Delta and from Rivers keep doing, we are part of it, we are not part of it, we should lead from the front and unite the Igbo nation to forge ahead. And once we come and speak in the Nigerian project, people will listen.